Guys, welcome back. So we have a lunch for Brandon. So today we're doing mini cheese pizzas. So I used some naan bread, put some tomato sauce and some cheese, made 2 of those in the toaster oven. I have some green grapes for him, and then we have some salami that's rolled up. I have here some roasted carrot and sweet potato that I had made from my dinner that I put in there for him. And then for dessert, we have this Nature's Bakery brownie. And I actually cut it up. This is what is this? 3/4 of one of these half pieces. So there's still another half in there. And I cut it up smaller for him here for his dessert. And then here's his water. So that's what he's bringing to school today. And we will see if he likes it or not. He's not a super huge fan of pizza for some reason. But these are really cute and small. So I think he will like these. All right, we'll catch you guys later. Bye. We are back. So this morning today was cheese pizza, right? Okay, with naan.
No, that's what I ate already.
Good job. So he ate all the cheese pizza. We made it in the 2 little stone fire naan dippers that we used. And then what was this? Grapes. You finished all the grapes. And then this was salami. So that's done. He ate half of the brownie because that's the dessert. So he had to finish the others first. But it looks like the carrots and the sweet potato still there. He ate one. He's pointing one finger at me. So he ate like 1 piece. So he'll be finishing that. I'm going to go ahead and make him eat that for part of his dinner. But anyways, it looked like a success. And was it good? Did you like the pizza?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. So we'll go ahead
Got
and...
a heart shape.
Yeah, I see the heart shape. Okay, so we'll go ahead and try to make this again. Maybe next time we'll put some toppings on there, okay? All right, guys. Have a mustard.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.